Hello and welcome to Excalibur. I hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be telling you how we can create this Jugnu challenge inside Excel. Okay, I am not a person who dances, and if you're also not the one, maybe we can do it the coding way, right? So we'll go into Excel and see how this works. To watch the complete video, you can click on the Insta link below in the video description and see the final output, right? And here in this video, I'll guide you how I've done it. So basically, this is an Excel file, right? And here it's contains different sheets. On each sheet, if I navigate, you see there is a player who is, moving his hands and legs based on the tunes, right? And another thing what I've done here is I have reduced the size of the columns and the also the rows, okay, and I've turned off the grid lines to off, right, so that it gives us a white background. So if you go to the page layout and under the grid lines, if you select on view, now these are the grid lines, and here each color has been defined based on these grid lines. That's the way it works, right? So this is how I've designed on each sheet with a different posture of this guy. Okay, and let's just do a quick run through this. So if I click on this button which says Jugnu, you see that the sheets are moving one after the other, and it works like a flip book. Okay, and it has a very simple code in the background. So it loops for 2 times, right? So we'll just go ahead and check the code as well. So I'll go to the developer tab, go to Visual Basic. Okay, so that's the code. On the button click, I am activating the sheet 1. Then I am giving it a wait time for 1 second, and then I activate the next sheet. Similarly, I give a wait time again and I activate the next sheet, and it's been looped twice. So that's the way you see with this simple code we were able to achieve this kind of a Jugnu challenge. And to watch the complete video with the music, since YouTube does not allow it, I have put it on my Instagram account. You can get it in the video description. Go to the Insta handle and watch the video. If you like the concept of the video and you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it and you'll watch much more fun videos here. Thank you very much.